I'm share a exciting Dogecoin earning system. See, this is Dogecoin. Just paste your Dogecoin wallet address and get free Doge. Okay, so we are going to Trust Wallet. I am use Trust Wallet. You can use any other wallet. And I am click Dogecoin and 1 second please and click receipt. 1 second everyone. Now click receipt and copy the address. Okay, now go to this website and paste here. See, my claimable Doge is 195 Dogecoin. So now click withdraw. See, this is withdraw verifications require. Network fee require 17 Doge only network fee. Okay, so I am copy this address. This is fee address and go to the Trust Wallet and click send. Paste here. Then type 17. Okay, click send. Just wait, it's pending. Okay, sending complete. Now go here and click confirm fee payment. Okay, look, it say congratulations, 195 Dogecoin sent to your address. This is your address and txt, everything is complete. Now go to the wallet and waiting for this payment. Here is still 50 Dogecoin. Transaction is delay. I'm just waiting. Oh my god, yes, I received the payment. See, this is, and see the history. History is not coming. Just wait. Actually, history doesn't matter. It will be come here. It takes some time. I'm reloading. I'm looking for history. It's not coming still. So that's it, guys. You can claim Dogecoin free from this website. This website link in my video comment box or my YouTube channel bio. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye. See you next time. If you have any questions, you can write a comment. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks.